Hello, my name is Darlene Clark. I am from Luray, Virginia, and right now I am a in-home counselor for at-risk youth, and I also counsel some adults for mental health support services. I love what I do. I've been doing it for almost 9 months now. And my ultimate goal is to be a doctor of psychology, so I want to get the PsyD degree. I've been doing some research on that and what I need to do to get me there, and I'm looking forward to it. I do not like the research aspect. I like the clinical aspect, which is why I want to do that. What I've enjoyed most in my past classes are applying evidence-based interventions for some of the fictitious cases that are given to us. That's one thing that I really enjoy doing. Other than that, I look forward to learning what this class has to offer, and I look forward to meeting everyone. Thank you. Have a good day.